Your broiler chicks need to drink water as soon as they arrive your farm, or they struggle forever. In this video, I will show you the exact way to get them to drink water instantly and very easy. I'm Chijendo Ryan from Fiesta Academy. Oh yeah, let's go into my brooder. These are the things you need to do in order to get your chicks to drink water instantly. And first, you need to use a shallow drinker so that they will not get drowned. Don't use a deep drinker for your day-old chick. Then the next thing is add the multivitamin and glucose because they were transported from a very far distance, like in some of us in Nigeria, like some of us in the eastern part of Nigeria. Most hatcheries are in the western part of the country, so they were moved from a very far distance into your location. Even if you have a hatchery around your area, like those that are in Ogun State or Ibadan that has the hatcheries around your area, it took them hours to get to your destination. And so add the glucose because of the stress and the multivitamin to help their immune system. Then the next thing you need to do is get their beak and deep inside the drinker. Then you bring it out like you see me do now. Then you get another one, you dip inside the drinker, you bring it out. Like that is the way you'll be doing it until most of them will get used to it. Then the other ones, as in the ones that are drinking, will influence the ones that are drinking will influence those ones that are yet to drink. That are yet to drink. Of little by little, all of them will start drinking. The same thing is applicable to the feeding. You will bring them and place them inside your as well. You get them and put inside their tray feeder. That is why I normally use this kind of feeder for my day-old chick. Then after like 1 week, I change feeder for them. But if the weather is cold, make sure that your brooder is heated up. But if the weather is hot, don't bother yourself about adding any form of heater. Then always make sure that their water is fresh and clean to avoid contamination that will lead to the mortality of your chick. I know that with this simple trick now, you can get your broilers to drink water instantly instead of leaving them to start drinking by themselves, which will take a longer time. If you want to know more things about how to brew your broiler chicks, watch this playlist.